Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best barbecue grills available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a weekend griller, a camping enthusiast, or someone who loves hosting backyard barbecue parties, this list has something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Gas One 14-inch portable charcoal grill, a budget-friendly option perfect for those who want a compact and portable barbecue solution. This grill features a 14-inch, 150 square inch cooking surface, which is just enough for small gatherings or quick meals. Despite its small size, it boasts a dual venting system that provides excellent airflow for consistent heat maintenance. The 3-point locking lid is a standout feature, not only preserving heat like an oven, but also making it safe for transportation. In terms of design, it's lightweight at only 4 pounds, making it easy to carry to camping trips, tailgates, or even your balcony. The ash catcher helps maintain a mess-free grilling experience, which is a rare find at this price point. However, the build quality is basic, with a powder-coated metal construction that is serviceable, but not built for long-term heavy use. The Gas One grill is ideal for someone on a tight budget or anyone looking for a lightweight portable grill for occasional use. While it doesn't offer the cooking capacity or advanced features of larger grills, it gets the job done for its price. Pros include its affordability, portability, and ease of use, while the cons are its limited cooking space and basic build materials. Coming in at number 4, we have the Kendane Barrel Charcoal Grill. This is a great mid-tier option for those who want a large cooking surface without breaking the bank. With nearly 500 square inches of cooking space and a porcelain enameled steel grate, this grill can handle up to 12 burgers at once, perfect for family gatherings or backyard parties. It also features a chrome-plated warming rack for keeping your food hot until it's ready to serve. The design is both practical and durable. The built-in thermometer allows for precise temperature control, and the adjustable chimney enhances airflow to maintain consistent heat. The 4-level adjustable charcoal pan is a standout feature, allowing for better control over cooking temperatures. Mobility is also a breeze, thanks to its sturdy wheels and side handle. The side shelf and bottom storage rack provide ample room for your tools and ingredients, making grilling more convenient. This grill is best suited for outdoor enthusiasts who host small to medium-sized gatherings. While it lacks the premium build of higher-end options, it offers solid performance for its category. Pros include its large cooking surface, great heat control, and convenient storage. On the downside, it doesn't have the most robust build quality, and assembly can be a bit tricky. At number 3, we have the Royal Gourmet CC 1830S, a versatile charcoal grill with an integrated offset smoker. This grill offers a massive 811 square inches of cooking surface, including a porcelain enameled main grate, a chrome-plated warming rack, and a 184 square inch offset smoker. The offset smoker is perfect for adding authentic smoky flavor to your meats, making this a great option for barbecue enthusiasts. The build quality is solid, with a powder-coated finish that resists rust and weathering. The adjustable charcoal pan allows for precise heat control, holding up to 4.4 pounds of charcoal at a time. Additional features like the built-in thermometer, side shelves for prep work, and a bottom rack for storage make this grill incredibly user-friendly. However, at 50 pounds, it's not the most portable option. This grill is ideal for outdoor BBQ lovers who want the flexibility of grilling and smoking in one unit. It offers excellent value at its price point, but it does require some assembly and maintenance. The pros include its large cooking area, built-in smoker, and additional workspace, while the cons are its weight and the need for regular cleaning. At number 2, we have the Cuisinart Chef-Style Tabletop Portable Propane Gas Grill. This compact yet powerful grill features 2 stainless steel burners with a combined 20,000 BTUs of heat output. Its 275 square inch stainless steel cooking surface delivers even heat distribution, perfect for grilling everything from burgers to veggies. The twist start ignition and independent burner controls make it easy to start and customize your cooking zones. Weighing just 22 pounds, this grill is designed for portability. The locking lid and folding legs make it easy to transport, whether you're heading to a campsite or a tailgate party. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the integrated thermometer helps you maintain precise cooking temperatures. The hassle-free setup is another major plus. You can start grilling in under 10 minutes without the need for tools. This grill is ideal for those who want the convenience of a gas grill in a portable form. It's perfect for small gatherings or on-the-go grilling. Pros include its portability, quick setup, and powerful burners, while the cons are its smaller cooking surface and higher price compared to other portable options. And finally, at number 1, we have the Royal Gourmet GA5401T 5-burner propane gas grill. This is the ultimate grilling machine for backyard chefs, offering an impressive 61,000 BTUs of total heat output. With 602 square inches of cooking space, including a warming rack, you'll have plenty of room to grill for large parties. The sear burner and side burner add versatility, allowing you to create restaurant-quality steaks and prepare sides simultaneously. The stainless steel construction gives this grill a premium look and feel, while the double-layer lid ensures consistent heat retention. The built-in thermometer and electronic ignition make it easy to monitor and start the grill, while the removable grease tray simplifies cleaning. 2 directional wheels and 2 fixed legs provide both mobility and stability, making this a great option for patios or decks. This grill is perfect for serious grill masters who want a high-performance unit for regular use. While it's on the higher end of the price range, its features and build quality justify the investment. Pros include its large cooking area, powerful burners, and premium design, while the cons are its weight and the need for assembly. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.